Now next exercise to make logical gates. Okay, first of all we'll do AND gate or OR gate. Alright, so drag your push button 1, okay, and push button 2. Alright, uh, let's increase its font size to 34. Drag your LED also. Right. Okay, here's my LED, which is connected to pin number, let's say 6. Alright. Okay. Now go back to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Here's my LED. Here's my push button. Okay. Draw your while loop first. Here's your while loop. Now the stop condition of your while loop. Alright. Drag your Arduino initialization and Arduino close. Okay. And create your COM port by just clicking right click on visa resource. Now you have to declare the LED, so go to set digital input output pin. Now you know my LED is connected to pin number 6, okay, of my Arduino board, and my pin behaves as an output. Alright, okay. Now we have to write the function digital write. So connect your Arduino resource first. It will read the pin 6. Okay. We want to make first AND gate. So just right click on it, go to Boolean and select AND gate. Alright, here's my AND gate. AND gate has 2 inputs. So here are my 2 inputs. Connect first input, connect your second input. Alright. Now convert these inputs to 0 or 1. Alright. Now you also want to display LED in virtual. So just right click on it, go to low level and digital read pin. Okay, connect your Arduino resource first, then error in. So it will read the pin number 6. Okay, if my value is 1, my LED will turn on. Alright, and connect your visa resource and error out. So here is my coding part. Okay, let me adjust my COM port first. Let's stop condition. Okay, let me increase its size also. So 24 is enough. Okay, now connect your Arduino board first. Refresh your COM port. COM port 3. Hit run. Okay, but this LED which is connected to pin number 6. Alright, if I and you know what is AND gate? If your input is 0 0, output is 0. If your input is 1 0, then output is still 0. And if your inputs are 1 and 1, then your output will be 1. Okay, any output which is off will turn off your LED. Okay, so it was my AND gate. For OR gate, just select your OR gate. Connect the inputs and outputs. Alright, it might create some communication problem. Okay, refresh your COM port again. Alright, now in OR gate, if one of any input is on, then my output will turn on. Or both inputs are on, and still my output will remain on. Okay, so that's all about it. Now let's do our next exercise.